Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn number 19 and number 20 and do some fun review activities. Number 19. Look at the donuts. 19 donuts. Number 20. Look at the cups. 20 cups. Excellent! Now let's do some review activities. Count the objects and write the number. Look at the cute pandas. Let's count. 17 pandas. Write number 17 in the box. Look at the juicy oranges. Let's count. 18 oranges. Write number 18 in the box. Look at the green leaves. Let's count. 19 leaves. Write number 19 in the box. Look at the yellow pears. Let's count. 20 pears. Write number 20 in the box. Excellent! See you next time. Goodbye.